Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Quick Learning Web. Today, we're diving into the intriguing concept of proactive versus reactive leadership in the context of education. As the saying goes, if you are proactive, you focus on preparing, and if you are reactive, you focus on repairing. Let's explore this idea and see how it applies to educational leadership. To better understand proactive and reactive leadership, let's define the terms. Being proactive means taking initiative, anticipating challenges, and planning ahead to prevent issues from arising. On the other hand, reactive leadership involves responding to problems after they occur, often in a crisis management mode. Now, let's relate these concepts to the field of educational leadership. Educational leaders who adopt a proactive approach are like chess players thinking several moves ahead. They focus on strategic planning, setting clear goals, and implementing preventive measures to ensure a smooth learning environment. For example, a proactive leader might invest time in professional development programs for teachers, implement early intervention strategies for struggling students, and establish a positive school culture to prevent potential issues. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine an educational leader who identifies a potential decline in student engagement based on early indicators. Instead of waiting for the problem to escalate, they take proactive steps. They might introduce innovative teaching methods, collaborate with teachers to enhance curriculum, and implement mentorship programs to support students. By doing so, they address potential issues before they become major challenges. Now, let's shift our focus to reactive leadership. While being reactive isn't inherently negative, it often involves responding to crises or issues that could have been prevented with a proactive approach. Reactive leaders find themselves firefighting, dealing with problems as they arise. In education, this might involve addressing academic performance issues, disciplinary problems, or conflicts between students. Consider a scenario where a reactive educational leader discovers a significant drop in standardized test scores. Instead of proactively addressing potential issues, they now need to react to the situation. This could involve implementing last-minute interventions, organizing additional tutoring sessions, and working with teachers to develop strategies to catch up on lost ground. While these actions are necessary, they highlight the challenges of reactive leadership. In conclusion, the choice between proactive and reactive leadership in education is crucial. Proactive leaders focus on preparing for success, while reactive leaders find themselves repairing the damage caused by unforeseen challenges. Striking a balance between the two approaches is key for effective educational leadership. What are your thoughts on this topic? Do you have any experiences to share? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow educators. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.